Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Today in this video we are going to talk about SEBI Grade A General exam. होगा या नहीं होगा, 2023 में होगा, 2024 में होगा, notification कब आएगा? No one can say that for sure. We are expecting that there will be exam either in the last of 2023 or in the beginning of 2024. इस वीडियो में हम फोकस करेंगे कि अब आप कैसे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. How to prepare for SEBI Grade A 2023 exam in 5-6 months that you may have in your hand. And for this we are conducting a free workshop. We have Prachi Mam, who is ex-manager care ratings and have more than 10 years of experience working in the finance sector, along with Pratik sir, who is by profession CA and is finance expert at iExamB. Both of them together will be guiding you on your preparation strategy for SEBI Grade A General. You can join the seminar. You will have to register. The registration link is present in the description below. Be there on Friday at 7:30 p.m. and get into the discussion, engage in the discussion, get all your queries resolved through Prachi Mam and Pratik sir. They'll also help you know about the various sources that you can use to prepare for this exam. Pratik sir will guide you on how to get a quick grasp and easily understand the various concepts of accounting and costing. And Prachi ma'am will be there to guide you for finance, economics, management related concepts. If you need, you can ask from sources from the faculties in this free workshop. So if you are willing to prepare for this exam, this is a very good opportunity for you to know more about this exam. I will be briefly discussing about this exam pattern, about the vacancies. In general, the vacancies have been increasing and will subsequently increase further. In 2017, there were 24 vacancies. In 2018, 80 vacancies. In 2020, 80. In April 2022, 80 vacancies were there. In July 2022, there was only recruitment for IT. And this time, in June 2023, there has been recruitment only for legal. So this has been the vacancy trend. Let's see what is the eligibility criteria. What you need to do in order to appear for this exam. You should have a master degree in any discipline. You can have a bachelor degree in law, a bachelor degree in engineering from a recognized university. You can be a CA, CFA, CS, cost accountant. So this is the eligibility criteria. No experience is required. कोई भी वर्क एक्सपीरियंस नहीं चाहिए. All you need is a right attitude and keen sense of learning to prepare for this exam. Interest in the securities market, knowledge about the working of SEBI, because you are going to be a part of that organization. You are going to be a part of SEBI, which is a regulator of the securities market in our country. Moving to the selection process, you have three phases. Phase 1 is only qualifying. Phase 2 has 85% weightage in final selection, and phase 3, that is your interview, has 15% weightage in the final selection. In phase 1, you have two papers. Paper 1 is QRE GA, Quant Reasoning English GA. This is only qualifying. From all the four subjects, you will have 20 questions. Paper 1 is of 100 marks. All you need is 30 marks in paper 1. Paper 2 has questions from accounts, finance, costing, companies act, economics and management. Then in phase 2 you again have two papers. Paper 1 is descriptive English. Paper 2, the syllabus was same as paper 2 in phase 1. This time we are hoping that the syllabus might slightly change as there has been changes introduced in SEBI Legal 2023. Regulations have been added. Phase 1 and phase 2 syllabus has been made mutually exclusive. Both are different. So we can see little bit changes, but the basics will stay the same. The topics that were there in the syllabus, they are still present in the legal. Just few add-ons have been there. Just that now phase 1 topics are not repeating in phase 2. Then the third stage is interview with a panel. So this is what you have to be prepared with. This is what you should know about how to get into SEBI, how to become a SEBI Grade A officer. We at iExamB have been mentoring for SEBI since 2018, and we have got a lot of students who have successfully been recruited as SEBI Grade A officer. You can check out their success stories and know their preparation journey, know their strategy, and accordingly modify as per your needs. Now in the description, you will find two things. One is the exam preparation guide, which is discussing everything relating to this exam. This is the exam preparation guide that I am talking about. In this exam preparation guide, you will get to know about the job profile, what is expected from you, in which departments you will be posted. Then you will also get to know the career progression, what will your career graph look like, Another thing is related to salaries and perks, and you can watch its related videos. Then I have also mentioned the vacancy trend, the eligibility criteria, about SEBI, about the regulator, about the offices of regulator, and about the real stories of the candidates who have successfully cleared SEBI Grade A General exam. All of them were not from the finance backgrounds. Few of them were from the engineering backgrounds as well, and yet they successfully cleared this exam. So these can be a motivating factor for you. For example, look over here. This is Mr. Chetan, who was CA, and he successfully cleared. What strategies he used, you can check out the success story. Then we have Srinidhi. She was a BTech, she was a working professional, managing her time, managing her resources. She cleared this exam. Then we have Kunal, who was MCOM, and he was again a working professional. With the focused preparation, with the time-bound preparation, he was able to clear this exam. And there are many more success stories which can help you strategize, which can help you understand what you have to do in order to prepare for this exam. Then you have the exam pattern, then you have cutoff. There are marks calculation scenarios also which can guide you what is meant by 1/3 weightage, what is meant by 2/3 weightage. You can download this complete guide from the description and know in detail about the SEBI Grade A General exam. Then in the end you will find the syllabus of both phase 1 paper 1, phase 1 and phase 2 paper 2, which is with respect to general stream, what is required in the interview. You will also find cutoffs over here which can help you understand how much marks you should target, and these are all the important links of free mock test of previous year paper. So this exam preparation guide will help you understand all about the upcoming SEBI Grade A exam. Then you have workshop registration link in the description. This is the same workshop that I was talking to you about in the beginning of my video. Workshop by Prateek sir and Prachi ma'am. Now I have a question for you. Do you actually need a study plan to prepare for the exam in 5-6 months? If yes, you will also have a question related to that in the registration link, in the Google form of the registration link. Fill yes over there. Also mention whether you are a working professional or you are a non-working professional, and accordingly I'll try to bring 5-6 months study plan for you. But you'll have to speak up, then only I'll be able to provide you what you need. So that's all in this video. I hope I see you there in the workshop. I hope you get all your queries resolved and start your preparation for SEBI Grade A General 2023. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with crisp and concise content. If you have any queries, you are looking for SEBI Grade A General course, you want to know the offerings of the course, you can reach out to us on this number. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.